It's been alleged that Russian Barrett stabbed his father prior to killing his cousin and 4 children. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report. We'll be right back.
Yeah, that countryside was here. And the countryside was making that. Need to touch the road and over these some shit I get on phone. Yeah, I know.
Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. The act of savagery and brutality of equal proportion, according to Minister of National Security Dr. Harris Chang, has been the talk of the nation since the murders were discovered on Tuesday morning in Cocoa Peace community in New Road, Clarendon. Rushane Barrett is said to be the lead suspect in the vicious massacre of the hard-working mother Kemisha Wright and her 4 children. It is claimed that the 23-year-old was wanted in relation to his alleged involvement in lottery scamming and the stabbing of his father. The incident was not followed up as his father is said to have not wanted to file any charges against him. However, he did flee the parish after these events transpired and was given refuge by Kemisha, a cousin to the accused, hence how he came to reside with the family. It was reported that after some time at the residence, Kemisha and Rushane argued over Mr. Bennett's usage of the single-parent house to sell cannabis. Several such domestic disputes followed up until the day of the massacre. Residents claim to have seen the assailant sharpening a knife the day before the killing. The police have now arrested the prime suspect and is expected to lay charges against him. However, he told his family members that he is innocent and he did not commit the act. Residents of Cocoa Peace community had been wary of the youth, otherwise known as Jet, when he had just started living with the now deceased female. Neighbors and family members alike are left distraught based on this recent event that took place in Clarendon. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.